Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you want to be. Step four.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the first time. Either way, I'm super happy you're here. We are gonna do a pink and black mani today. So we're gonna use Revel Erica on 2 nails and then a really pretty bright pink fine glitter. It's a fine glitter mix from KMG. It's You Hot Miami Nights, I believe is what it's called. It'll be linked. And then we're going to use black on my ring finger. We're going to use Wow, I don't know what I'm saying. Words, Jill. Find your words. We're going to use Barbara from Revel. I don't like black in general. I mean, I love it on my nails, but man, it's so stainy and it just gets all up under the, Anyway, I know there's better blacks, but my favorite thing about Barbara from Revel is it's just so dark and deep, and that's what I wanted. And then we're going to do some nail art on the 2 fingers that I'm using this color on. And we're going to use acrylic paint. So can't use gel. We all know that by now. It's a broken record. And so I bought some acrylic paint a while ago. I've used it a couple times here and there, but not a whole lot. And so this mani and then my next mani that will be posted next week are both using acrylic paint. And I'm excited for both because I think they turned out so good. I impressed myself with my very limited nail art skills, and I'm just trying to kind of push myself out of my comfort zone. I love decals, I love stamping, stickers, all of that stuff. You guys should know that by now, but I'm kind of trying to, go outside my comfort zone and do some fun stuff, and hopefully you guys like it as much as I do. I'm going to let you guys listen to some music while I am dipping out my nails. I pretty much do just one layer except on these glitter nails, just because I kind of wanted to show you how when you pour over the first layer they go on pretty sparse, but then I I lay my finger flat into it on the second layer and it picks up all the goodness. And then I think I just show you one nail clear capping, but I do clear cap all nails, and then we'll activate. I'll hear my little clicky sound. We'll file buff off camera, and then we'll get into the nail art. So I will be back very shortly.
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you want to be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
I'm back. Perfect timing because we're done with all the dipping and we're about to get into the activator. I do activate my lighter colors first. I don't really think it's necessary because I clear cap, but I like to play life on the safe side. Not always, but you know, when it comes to my nails, I don't want to transfer any of that black or dark pink onto the light pink nails because that would just kind of ruin the whole look. So I do the two lightest, and then I do the two darker, and then I'll do the black last. I had no transferring. Everything worked out just fine, but like I said, just trying to be a little bit on the safe side. And if you didn't notice, which if you didn't, I don't think you're actually watching the video, so that sucks. But I did change my shape, obviously. So these are, you know, in my opinion, they're more stiletto. Some people think they're more almond. It doesn't matter. Either way, they're pointy. My mom hates them. She loves the designs I do on them, but she can't stand this shape. She tells me every time she sees me, they look evil. Anyway, oh, that was a rude mimic of my mom. She doesn't sound like that, I swear. So I've got some black acrylic paint, and then this is, I don't have a lot. I only have like 5 colors, and this is a magenta, and I really wanted it to be more pink. So I added a little bit of white, mixed it up to make it a little more pink. It does not match the darker pink glitter nails by any means, but it looks fine. I mean, you really, unless you're going to sit there and put my nails right in your face, which you can't because they're not even on me anymore, it's not that noticeable. So I was happy with it. It worked out fine. So I knew I wanted to do like the swirl nail art, so I kind of just went to Pinterest. I looked at the swirl nail look, and I kind of just came up with some designs based on what I had seen, like what looked good to me. I do really love and they're not perfect by any means, just so you guys know. I mean, they could be a lot better, but again, this is, I don't think I've ever done this before with painting. I think I've only done it like with stamping, and I don't even know if I've done it on my own nails. I can't remember. I've done too many manis. I've lost track. Either way, I really, really love the design that I did on this nail. On my pointer nail, it kind of makes it look a little bit bulgy fat in the middle. You'll see what I'm talking about. But at the end of the day, you know, I kind of decide, okay, is it bad enough to take off and redo the nail? Or is it fine and you're just being nitpicky? 9 times out of 10, I'm just being super nitpicky. I get over it. I take my pictures and I'm like, it's doable. I can post that. So yeah, I was just being picky, but I kind of wish I would have picked out a different design. If I do them again, I probably will. But I do love how this nail in particular turned out. So I think it's a 9mm brush is what I'm using for the black. And then for the pink, I'm using a 5mm. And when I got to the other nail, and maybe it was just because the way I was doing it, it just was not working the way I wanted. So I pulled out a 11mm brush, and that worked a lot better. So you will see I do a little switch on this nail, and I actually, because I did the pink and then I was like, ew, it just kind of went all over the place. So I had to clean it up with a lint-free wipe, and because the black was dry enough and I did not use any liquid on the lint-free wipe, I just took a clean lint-free wipe and wiped it off. It came off no problem. Didn't smear the black, nothing like that. And then I was able to go in and fix it. That's coming up here in just a second, so you'll see that. This is me just trying to like really get that curve of the line nice and crisp. It was really hard. I wish I kind of would have gone more towards the center of the nail. Maybe that's where I messed up, is I just did like the tip, and then I don't know. For some reason it just looked like I had a big old bulge in the middle of my nail. It was weird, but it turned out fine. So this is where I make the little boo-boo you'll see here in a second. Or maybe do I do the top first? Never mind, I do the top. Nope, I do the bottom. Whew, I don't even know what I'm doing. It's coming up. I was having such a hard time. Oh, there it is. There it is. So yeah, I just take it, I clean it, and we're good. Okay. I'm going to let you guys finish watching this. It'll be really quick, and I'll be back in just a minute.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you...
Okay, we're done with the art. I'm going to take this off and clean it all up, and then we are going to encapsulate. So this is base. Because this acrylic dries so well, I can literally just go in with a layer of base coat, and I'm good to go. I don't think I put activator on, but I had to have, because otherwise these would have taken, I mean, it's odorless. They would have taken forever to dry, and they dried in like a minute. So I must have put activator on them. Probably before the nail art. I think that's, yeah, I'm pretty sure before I did the nail art, I put a layer of activator on, so that, and then I didn't wipe it off at all. The odorless is very hard to contaminate. So now I'm just going in, I'm doing the activator again after those two nails that I encapsulated in the base coat dried, and I'm getting ready for my top coat. So 2 minutes, wipe off, lint-free wipe. I am using the odorless top coat again. I haven't used it in a while, but I started getting kind of dip flu symptoms from the other stuff that I was using, and that's a no-go for me. Very light symptoms, like just like at the end of the day, I noticed I had a headache and I was a little more sniffly than normal. I'm literally allergic to the world, like the nature, outside, everything. I'm allergic to dogs and cats, and I have a dog and I have a cat. I'm allergic to pretty much every animal on the face of the planet. So I fight sniffles and yuckiness every day. I don't like to add to it. Like, if I can avoid it, I'm going to avoid it. So I will still use, and they're the Amberley's Nail Corner 3 Broke Girls, same thing. And they're great. I love them. But I'm going to still have to use them when I do my, like when I build my nails, because I can't use the odorless to build my nail. So I'd rather not overexpose myself. So I decided I would go back to the Color My World odorless dip top coat, which I love. I've always loved it. I need to get some more because this is the only bottle I have, but I think they're really shiny, especially for an odorless. And I give them 5 minutes to dry just to be on the safe side, but I'm pretty sure they're dry in like 2. But to me, I'd rather wait the extra few minutes. Don't take any chances, and bam. So we are almost done. If I blah, 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 blah. Gosh, I am so losing it today. I am mentally drained. I think that you can tell in this voiceover that I just don't sound all energetic, and that's because, well, one, I should have done this hours and hours ago, but we have finally decided to add another dog to our home, and I have been searching all day long and, of course, procrastinating the things I should be doing because I'm obsessed with finding us a dog. And I'm just having a hard time, and the one we wanted is gone. So, and we're looking for very specific because of my allergies. We do need this short hair animal. We cannot have anything with long hair. And I live in Montana, so there's a lot of like herder dogs out here and cattle dog, like stuff like that, and they're all long haired. So, yeah, I mean, the hunt is on, and hopefully we'll find something soon. I will make sure that I get some cute pictures when we do find our new dog. And yeah, so I think this is the first video I've done it in. I'm not 100% sure, but I am using oil, Oasis balm and cuticle oil. The balm was strawberry coconut. It smells amazing. This is blood orange. I do have a discount code. It is Jill15. It will be linked. Everything is linked. And they're amazing. So I am doing an influencer for the month. I might stay on longer. I'm not sure yet. It just kind of depends if she wants me to or needs me to, all that stuff. But I am obsessed with these. I have a couple other scents. I have, fruity, no, I can't remember. It's a cereal kind, and it smells just like cereal. And then I have monkey farts, which I got it for the name. I wasn't sure what to expect. I should have known. Banana. It smells like banana. Not overpowering, not anything like in your face. It's just super sweet and good. So here is the final product. I hope you guys stayed and watched till the end, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The next one is going to be even more fun. Definitely push myself on that one. Have a beautiful day. Thanks for watching. Bye.